Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So as you read in my title, we're going to be unboxing the July Look Fantastic box. Yay. What is this? July the 8th? And it's here. This is why I love Look Fantastic. It's the first box I get every month. I love it. Before we do, I have to give two shout outs. One, I'm going to give out to my lovely Miss Melissa Lavelle, you sweetheart. She sent me a whole bunch of items and a little note. Says, thank you, Lisa, for all that you do. So she sent me a whole bunch of stuff that I can put in giveaways and that I can also put into my box that I have for the women's shelter. Like there's a whole bunch of masks. There's a highlighter, I think there's cream eyeshadows, there's lotion, there's lipsticks. Like, thank you, Miss Melissa. That was so sweet and kind of you. Greatly appreciate it. And I have a little something that I'm sending Melissa in the mail. She knows what it is because we talked about it a long time ago because nobody would ever pick it. And she's like, dang it, I'm going to have to send you something so I can pick that thing. So it's the egg. So the Miss Revolution Beauty egg, that's going to Melissa. And I got a card, everybody. Miss Sherry, you darling. So Miss Sherry in, I have to look because I always say it wrong, Iowa, sent me a birthday card. Now, guys, you got to look at this. Like, isn't that just me? That's just me right there. So Miss Sherry sent me this card for my birthday. Much love, my Canadian sister. Thank you, Miss Sherry, Dreaming Music Gal. And I'm going to pick out 3 items out of my goodie bag. And I'm going to leave Miss Sherry's Instagram handle down below as well. If you send me in a picture or a postcard with all of your social media handles, and the reason why I do this is so you get more followers on all your social media handles, and that way hopefully you get more free stuff. So if you want more followers, more free stuff, send me in a picture or a postcard. I am going to take my address out from my videos, but if you want to send me in a picture or a postcard, look me up on Facebook or Instagram. My handles will be down below. Send me a message and I'll send you my address. And when you do, send me in a picture or a postcard, and no nudes. We don't want nudes up in here. When you do, I pick 3 goodies out of my little goodie bag, and you get to choose one. So Miss Sherry, the first thing I'm picking out is this Watermelon Glow recipe. It's a moisturizer and a, what is this? A sleeping mask. Then there is the Tarte Fresh Eyes eyeshadow wipes and face cleanser that we got in Ipsy. And what is this company called? Atlantic May Pilm, I don't know. It's got bergamot, jasmine, and cedarwood. So choose which one you want out of these 3. And I'm going to put that in the mail with your other prize that you did win. Which, FYI, everybody, I was a wingnut. I forgot to bring all my bags to work today, but I did get stamps. So, you know, I'm on a roll. But, you know, I'm always late. So, yay, I got my first birthday card. Thank you so much, Miss Sherry. Okay, I also want to say to my ladies in the UK, here in Canada, there is this company called ChickAdvisor. And, hold on, declining that call. Here in Canada, there's a company called ChickAdvisor, they send you free things to review. They just started it in the UK right now. If you can't find ChickAdvisor, leave me a comment, send me an Instagram message, and I will send you that link because they have their very first few items free to review from, I think it's Bior and another company that's only for you guys in the UK. If you can't find it, send me a message on Instagram and I will send you my link to ChickAdvisor where you can sign up. And hopefully you get those products free to review, you know, when you post on Instagram, stuff like that. So they just moved over to the UK, which is awesome. So if you want to know, you know, about that, just send me a message on Instagram. So, because free stuff, I mean, you know, we love free stuff. Okay, now we're 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes in. We're going to get into Look Fantastic. So, if you don't know and you're new to my channel, I'm in Toronto. There used to be a way you can open this up that was really easy. I'm in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This is Look Fantastic. It is a UK beauty box. It cost me, if you sign up for 12 months, it costs me between $20 and $21 a month. And here's a good thing about Look Fantastic. They don't take the money all at once. Like on the first of the month for 12 months, they will take out the $20 or $21, however it works, you know, convert it over to Canadian, right? And it's cheaper in the US. It's like 16 bucks or something like that a month in the US. It's a great company. I love this. You get expensive skincare. It's mostly skincare, deluxe sizes, sometimes full size. Usually we might get one makeup item. But this box, it comes clockwork every month between the 7th and the 9th of the month, all depending, you know, when the first was. And I love getting it. You know, it's $20 a month. I'll leave my link down below. Oh my goodness, and there is a code. Is it WILLOWBB? Right now, I think, guys, look it up. I don't know. Look it up. Go to my subscription addiction. There's a code right now. I think it's WILLOWBB. Not sure. But if you know what that code is, please put it under my comments. And then, ladies, if you want to sign up, look. Because if you use this code when you're signing up for Look Fantastic, you get a free mystery box with that code. Okay, so make sure you have a look on my comments. And ladies, if you remember what that code is, please put it there and I'll try to look and see what that code is and put it in my description box as well. It's a free mystery box when you sign up, okay? So Look Fantastic comes in these gorgeous boxes every month, different colors every month. This is beautiful. A beautiful like mint green is gorgeous. And there's always a saying inside and it says, the mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. Isn't that the truth? And these boxes are so sturdy. Love these boxes. It comes with some refresh codes, which is for the UK, unfortunately not for Canada. Every month you will always get a Elle magazine in your box. And you know, last month some of the ladies got the magazine and they got samples of perfume and I didn't. And I didn't get a sample of perfume this month either. I miss out on it. I don't know why. I think they must know that I'm always looking for the perfume. But yeah, every month you'll get an Elle magazine, which is pretty dang awesome. Okay, and then you're also going to get your pamphlet, your little booklet telling you everything that's in your box and how much it is. Oh my God! And it's going to tell you also the sneak peek for August, which is the Luxie. And I have this brush. It's really good. The Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush, and it's worth, and this money is in pounds, £26.50. That's in next month's box, and I love this brush. I know I have it. Is this it? No, I don't have this brush. I have the small contour brush. Well, so I'm glad to be getting this one. And my subscription runs out, I believe, in September, and I will definitely be signing up for 12 months again. Like I said, I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, so give skin the ultimate lit from within glow with our July edition of the Look Fantastic box. So this is the hydration edition, and I'm just going to start pulling out the first items in the box. It's so pretty. So that brush is going to be in next month's box, and like I said, £26. I'm not even going to try to do the conversion rate because whenever I do, I get it wrong all the time. So it's going to be over 30 bucks. That's all I'm going to say. But usually when we convert pounds in Canadian, it's almost double our money, you know. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Alamis, which is beautiful. Again, mostly deluxe sizes. Sometimes you get a full size, but I mean the sizes are good, you know. It's a 20 mil, which is awesome. So this is the Alamis Hydra Balance Day Cream, and this 20 mil is worth £19. Alamis is a really expensive company. So 20 mil worth £19 and 10. So, like I said, I'll screw it up. I'll say 25 bucks, but I'll probably screw it up, you know. So this alone is the price of the box. Love this box. I do, I do, I do. Okay, next thing we got here is a gold eye mask. It's worth £5.99, so I'm going to say about 10 bucks Canadian. And what does this say? Apply to dry and clean under eyes. Apply to dry and clean under eyes. Okay. Ding, wingnut, right? Apply to your dry and clean under eyes. So, you know, make sure it's dry and clean, pretty much is what they're saying. Leave for 10-15 minutes and discard after use. And then gently pat the remaining serum into your skin. So that's pretty cool. I love a good eye mask. That's awesome. Then we have this right here. And it is 40 ml. That's wicked. This is worth £12, and it is a body gel from Aromatherapy Associates. Apply a generous amount onto skin, massage until it's completely absorbed. It's got grapefruit, rosemary, juniper, essential oils. Let's smell this chummy digger. Oh, it's okay. That's too. What is that smell? There's a smell in here. I think it's a juniper. I don't like it. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. I don't like that. That's not my thing. I don't like that smell. I think it's the juniper. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I don't like that smell. I don't like it. Some of you might like it. I don't like it. The next thing we got is this glove makeup remover on the go hydro cleanser. It's worth £11.90. Awesome Canadian, maybe about $16. Someone's gonna correct me because I will be wrong. Oh yeah, and my makeup's a mess today. I just got home from work, and it's just a mess. Okay. Moisten the cleansing glove and gently rub over skin to remove makeup and cleanse skin. Wow. Oh Jesus, I just dropped it. Sweet Lord. Moisten the glove with water. Press glove to your skin for a moment. And gently remove. I don't want to open it because I don't know. I might put it in a giveaway. But it looks like that. That's pretty neat. Liking that. Then we have the Ico Fat Eye Stick. Gilt Smoke or Satin, and it's worth £12. Apply either as an eyeliner or blend across the lid for a diffused look. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I got gilt. I don't know if I like this color. Well, it looks like there's a black and a silver, so maybe babies. Let's see. So it's like a bronzy, goldy, dark goldish, brownish kind of a color, which would probably work. I'm going to make a mess of my eyes now, but you know what? My eyes is already a mess. If you kind of like put it in a corner. And remember, please, that this makeup has been on my face since 5 o'clock this morning. And I came home, and my box was there. The kids are at the water park. And I'm like, I'm going to do my box now. And because, you know, seriously, the reason why I wanted to do it right away, because I can't wait to take off my bra. That's the reason why. I was like, okay. I don't edit, and there's no photoshopping going on here, people, so this is real, you know. I am no beauty queen. There's no photoshopping. You can see every freckle and every blemish and every flaw. And that's the way it should be. You know what I mean? So, okay, last thing in this box is, ooh, the WILLOWBB Illuminating Marcella Water, and it's worth £11. Apply to a cotton wool pad and use to remove impurities and makeup. I'm really excited. So guys, this cost me $20 Canadian. Oh, and it smells nice too. Thank God it's not a strong smell. So, recap, and this is, how big are you? It's got aloe vera, green tea, raspberry, lemon, and sage. It smells really good. This is 200 ml, and it was £11. So I'm gonna, you know, £11, $15. Again, I'm sure I'm gonna be corrected. So, you know, we got this, and this glove was £12. I'll say $15 there. Then we had this body gel, which I don't like. because, you know, it's too strong of a smell for me. Okay, where was that Ico? So the Ico is 12 pound. I'll say $16 there. And the body gel was 12 bucks, 16. The pad was, you know, 6 pound. So I'll say about 10. And the LMS was 19. So I'll say about 25. So altogether, I think this box, you know, maybe around 100, just over $100 Canadian, right? 20, like say 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, and the 10. So almost around $100 Canadian, or just a little bit over. But it's a great box. This is my favorite box. I love it. I love trying out these new skincare brands. Can't wait to try this micellar water. I keep my LMS. I have so many of these LMS things that I'm keeping. And I don't know what I'm waiting for. If I'm putting it in a giveaway, I think I'm waiting for like the whole set of it. And then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Because, yeah, or maybe I just keep it for travel, right? Yeah, that's it, everyone. Please don't forget to like my video. And please, everyone, don't forget about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's happening right now. I'm going to put the video around here somewhere. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Very important that you hit the like button. Share, you know, tell your friends, let them know there's this wacky wingnut on YouTube who's got wrinkles and crow's feet, who don't know how to do her makeup that well. Sometimes she does okay, but sometimes not so much. But I'm just like you. Do you know what I mean? We're not, you know, I ain't perfect. You might be, I ain't. And so we're just keeping it real. That's all I want to say. Anyway, have a great day. Love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.